I'm doing all right. All right. You have, number one, you have a lot of issues going on right now. Number one, the tire will not be changed right here due to the fact that the traffic, the high volume of traffic that's coming through. What I want to need you to do, if you do want the tire changed, I'm going to need you to slow drive all the way down to the next spot so we can pull off into the middle of the thing and get it turned. If not, then you'll have to stay and wait and call back for a tow truck.
Where do you want me to pull off?
We got to get off.
Can we get over more in front?
No, well, because the tire can't be changed because of the gravel. The jack is going to dig into the ground. So there should be a you know, the cut through. There should be a cut through maybe about a mile up the way, but you'll have to drive slow.
That take the rim right first?
If you want to drive fast and take the rim right off.
No, but if I go slow on this, or not up here,
well, yeah, you got to get back on the road and you got to drive slow.
I wondered that if I pull further over here and we're away from the traffic.
Well, no, because the gravel.
What kind of jack you got?
No, I got a floor jack. All it's going to do is dig into the ground. So I need something much more sturdier than this.
Because I have one of these like household jacks.
That's not going to work.
Won't get under the axle?
No.
Lift up?
No.
If I put it on wood?
If you put it on wood,
I'm just not strong enough to get rocks on.
this is labor right here. Alright, also to let you know before I start any work, this right here is going to be an out-of-pocket expense.
That's not what you told me. Hold on. Get you more away from the edge.
No, because you're going into the ground and it ain't going to be no better than what I'm doing right now.
No,
so
up here,
no, it's cool right here. Right here. I'm concerned. I'm concerned about my safety too.
Well, that's what I'm saying. The gravel is wider up there. I can get you farther away from the road.
It's cool. This is what I have to go through every day.
Can we help move the end?
No, don't do that. Okay, before I continue on, this is going to be an out-of-pocket expense of about $75. Number one, it's a trailer and not the vehicle.
They told you that.